Hello guys, it's me again. It's Tristan Brown. I'm here today to help you prepare for the math SAT. Today, I will tell you guys this. This is probably the easiest problem I have worked out throughout all of these PowerPoints I've made for this. This is most likely the easiest problem, so um, hopefully that brings you some relief. I mean, even though we have had some difficult problems in the past, this one and even the last one I did wasn't too hard. It was just a little tricky. This one's very straightforward and is just a very simple problem. The most complicated math thing we're going to do is addition in this problem. So I think you guys all can probably handle that. But just in case there's something that throws you off about this video, don't fret. Maybe you're more algebraically minded. So you can do some of the harder algebra stuff, but some of this more interpretive stuff, it doesn't come as naturally to you. So regardless, that's why I'm doing this video. Anything I can do to help any one person out is worth doing. It came to me that there's a possibility that more than just Lynchburg City students are watching this. I'm sure there are parents and family members and guardians who are watching this along with your student, trying to learn just as much as your student is. So thank you guys for watching too. I hope these videos have been helpful to you all. That's obviously my goal in all of this, is to just educate you, hopefully help you to become a little bit smarter than you were the day beforehand. Anytime I can help and do something like that, it's worth doing, even if it's only one person. So thank you guys for watching. And with all that said, let's get into this problem. So this comes from the problem solving and data analysis section. As you can tell, it's green. This is an easy problem. And I would even agree with this one. The last one we did from the hard algebra section, you could get tripped up a little bit on that one, but this one, my screen's not zooming in, which is a little concerning. There it goes. Hopefully this one will be a little bit more straightforward. Like I said, I think in my last problem solving and data analysis video, most of them do have this chart, or a chart similar to this. So in this case, you have a chart. So this is going to be what the majority of the problems in this section look like. So you can say classifies different states of matter, and then it classifies them as different types: metals, metalloids, and non-metals. And then it tells us about everything that we have. And then we even get a description about what the table tells us. It says the table below classifies 103 elements. So you can see that's our total of elements. As metal, metalloid, or non-metal, and a solid, liquid, or gas at standard temperature and pressure. What fraction of all solids and liquids on the table are metalloids? And it's not a multiple choice, so we have to come up with this answer on our own. So it asks what fraction of all solids and liquids. So when it asks for a fraction of something, usually what it tells us first is going to be our denominator, and it will be in this case. So it says of all solids, so you look for our total solids, which is 90, and our total liquids, which is 2. So again, this is the addition in the problem. This is as hard as the math portion of it gets, is 92. So we have 92 as our denominator. And it asks for what fraction of those are metalloids. So then what we do, now that we have our 92 for our solids and liquids, we just add up the number of metalloids between them. And we have 7 for the solids and 0 for the liquids. So 7 plus 0 is just 7. And unless I did something really wrong, that should be our answer. 7 90-seconds. Or 7 over 92 is 90 seconds. Sounds weird. And it is. It's 7 over 92 is our answer. So that problem, like I said, this should have been the easiest problem we've done so far. I mean, I hope you haven't found the other problems overly hard, but this problem more than the other ones. But again, if not, that's okay. That's why I'm doing these videos, to make sure that any place of struggle you might have, that you can overcome it. So this, again, there's 92 solids and liquids combined from the table. Only 7 of those were metalloids, and then our fraction was just metalloids over solids and liquids combined. And then my tip, Actually, when I went through, there is 3 or 4 different questions that use this table, and we might even get to ones in the future that come back to this table. But they'll ask different questions, ask for different pieces of information from the chart. So just make sure when you read the question properly so you get the correct information. Like this problem, if you have put, just the total number of elements, 103/7, that would have been incorrect. So again, interpretive, you just have to read the question right, pick out the correct pieces of data, and then represent them correctly for what the question asks. So again, I know this video probably wasn't nearly as long as most of the other ones because the work was much simpler. So I hope that you guys found this helpful. Again, so we've had 2 easy videos now. I can't remember if the next video, if it's another easy problem or if we get to something more challenging than these past 2 have been. But regardless, we still have more problems to come. We have the formula sheet video. I'm going to get to working on that very soon so you guys can have that to look over when you're going through the formula sheet so you know everything that might possibly be on that. Go work on getting the calculator video done, just showing you some of the basic functions, anything you might possibly need on the SAT using the calculator. So we have that to come. Obviously, there's going to be more questions. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you at the next video.